Alright, check it out, yo. It's Blitz. GetBlitz.com. So now we're in Vancouver, you know, on tour. I'm with my boy Parichay.
Yeah, and there's a motherfucking pigeon in this room, man.
And yo, what are the chances? This guy, Hennessy, you know, they're sharing a room, so he left the window open over there. We're like on the 6th or 7th floor. We come into the room, what do we find? Check this out. Hey, that's not even fake. That's a real pigeon, dude. That's a real pigeon in the corner. Look at, you can see it like blinking thing. Hold on.
Yeah, no.
Welcome to Discovery Channel.
Please catch me, guys.
Yeah, what's your name, dog?
Mark.
Mark. Okay, so Roach Killa over here is with Mark in Parichay's room, and Blitz is holding the camera. So it's like a family affair, yeah. And you know we all got the expressions about, you know, we're trying to chop some pigeons. You know what I mean? That means trying to chop some girls. Yo, literally, we got pigeons.
We got pigeons in the room.
We got a pigeon in the room, man.
ਭੈਣ ਜੋ ਮੇਰੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾਈ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਉਹ ਸਾਲੇ ਉਧਰ ਕਬੂਤਰ ਬੈਠਾ ਫੱਕ
ਉਹ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਚੱਲਦਾ
ਬਟ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੈਂਕੂਵਰ ਆਏ ਹੋ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਚੱਲਦਾ
You can't take her out.
This guy's gonna try to take the pigeon out of the room.
Oh,
You
she's
don't
got
want
an
to
egg
leave.
there, too.
Huh?
She's got an egg.
She's got an egg?
Yeah.
I knew it. I fucking knew it, man. Bitches laying eggs in my fucking room.
The pigeon laid an egg in Parachay's room.
Holy shit.
It's very defensive right now.
Whoa, she ain't gonna leave that.
Is there an actual egg there?
Yeah.
No, let me see.
Whoa, shit.
Oh.
So let's see.